today we don't have any quiz, so no prizes. Okay, when we go for the win, we'll do that. Okay, so what is emergency preparedness basically? Yeah, ma'am, you are saying something. To be ready for any disaster. Okay, good. Any other answer? Any other thing? What do you think? What is emergency preparedness? What do you have to do in case of any emergency basically? That is what is emergency preparedness. That is right. Okay. And why is it important? So that nothing serious should happen. So if we are ready to handle the emergencies, okay, we can avoid any serious incidents. So these are some of the types of emergencies that we should be ready for. One is fire, then another is medical emergency, that can be injury, illness, fatality, oil spill, road accidents, earthquakes, natural calamities, civil unrest, terrorist attack. See, we think that okay, this emergency will not attack, not occur. Like we never thought we'll have a terrorist attack, but we had it in Mumbai. We never thought that there will be something like a medical emergency, or what we also can say COVID, but that has occurred. So any emergencies can occur, and we have to be prepared for that. So when we are looking at what devices are installed in our office, what we have in our office. So we have fire alarm system, we have smoke detector system, we have fire alarm panel. Where is the panel? Everyone knows. On this floor where we have? Not you. So okay, good. It's good that only admin people know that. Huh? Anyone else knows where is the panel? No, not Kiran, not you. And no one else knows. That's good. So that is something surprise we can look at. Okay, okay. Where are smoke detectors? On the right. Where? So what is the use of that? Any idea? What is the purpose of smoke detector? Detect smoke. So how it detects smoke basically? What happens? How it works? Any idea?
There's a sensor.
Okay, she said right. If somebody smokes below that, it will go on.
Only smoke, no fire.
No fire, only smoke. Okay, so what is okay fine. So basically, if there is any smoke, any fire, okay, so that will indicate that there is some smoke, and the indicator, once the smoke comes inside it, what will happen? It will start the hooker, it will start the siren, and we will come to know that there is some fire. So that is the purpose of a smoke detector. So it will start the hooker. Do we have any manual call points? Do you know what is manual call point?
Assembly point.
Fire warden is not. Assembly point is different. Manual call point.
I don't know that.
Okay?
Fire warden is there.
Okay, fire warden is something different. But what is manual call point?
The point where you have to press to break the glass or to call inform people.
You have to press
Yeah,
button to
alarm
break
button.
the glass.
You press the alarm button.
Let's see. Basically, like you are somewhere right. That's good. Okay. Like now, you see a fire, and the smoke detectors may have not detected, or the smoke has not. Me under me. This is reception side area. There is one. So this is the CO2 type. This is basically for electrical fires. These are the emergency contact numbers. Yeah, it may not be legible or you cannot read here. But do we have anywhere displayed in the office emergency contact numbers? Where it is? Near the pantry, near the gate, at some point we have the emergency contact numbers. Okay, this gives the number. It is my number is there, Priya's number is there. So apart from that, we have the number of police, fire, ambulance. We have ties with various hospitals, like we have multi-speciality. This hospital is. Anyone has heard about this hospital? Where is it? यहाँ पर वही तो इसलिए मुझे भी नहीं दिखा वे near DN Nagar metro. Okay, so we have tied with them also. Okay, then we have Kokila Ben, Dhirubhai Ambani hospital also is there. We have tied for emergency. Apart from that, there are some contact numbers of the other hospitals or medical centers where we have tie-up for medical emergency. Like Seabird is there, Globus is there, or PRN Medical. They'll also support us for any medical emergencies. So this is one presentation. What we will do is we can just go for a demo of the system. Let us look at that. They can interpret it. And after that, I do have a small presentation on observation reporting system. So I will request you. I know each one of you is very, very busy. It was very difficult to get all of you here. So please don't run away after the demo. Give me 10 minutes more so that we can complete on the observation system. Okay? So can you please help me to lock the door so that no one runs away?